Welcome to Stand DIY Plus channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform the look of this wall to that one. Beautiful. Just using some molding ground. Let's get started. Just gonna take the measurement of this wall from top to the bottom and left to right corner. Now we need the plan. Just gonna go on my paper, and guys, the plan gonna look like this. Okay, I got the 54 inches here. That's gonna be the bottom, the two rectangle I'm gonna do. I got two of them. Okay, so center from there. So each corner I got like a 7 inches for that. Okay, so I got 54 inches. As you can see here, 129 inches. Okay, I got 20 inches for all this. So 54 inches. As you can see, the corner here, the length is 54. All those two have to be 54 as well. So I'm gonna leave a space between. So which is 25, and the middle can be 4 inch. So we just give the 54 inches along. Same thing for the rest. Okay, so sorry for the mess. My kids just do that on my paper. So alright, so at the end I'm gonna have 4 54 inches, 20 pieces of 20 inches, and then 16 pieces of 25 inches. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. And then from the floor to the first one you get 14 inches distance here. So let's get started. Alright, here's the first ground molding I'm gonna use. First, we have to take the measurement. It's the most important thing to do. So remember, I need 4 54 inches, 4 pieces of 54 inches, right? So I got 4 54 inches all done for that. Now I need 20 pieces of 20 inches. So 20 pieces seems a lot, so we need to find a technique to cut 20 pieces very fast. So that's why I'm gonna show you guys a little technique here. As you can see, I'm using my little I call it a block here. So when I have a lot of pieces to cut, like same size, I use that block to make the measurement go faster. I don't have to like take the measurement of each of those pieces. I just use that and then take the first 20 inches, take the measurement from there, use my compound miter saw to see if it's fit. Okay, this is the 20 inches. I use my grip string to clamp it in. There you go. Alright, all that done, guys. I got my 54 inches, 20 inches, and then my 25 inches. Alright, so now let's go inside to install use the 18 gauge nail gun. Just give it one at the middle, because you have to like take your level to make sure it's all level. And I put the extra nail just to make sure it's solid and beautiful. This is it, guys. This is the plan. So let's look if it's okay, if it's how we was expected, and then it is. Alright guys, if you want to do a same project like this, I'm gonna put the description, I'm gonna put the detail and the description below, with the plan as well. You can go and do the exact same thing. Alright, and if you're new on this platform, guys, please go subscribe, because every Saturday I'm gonna put a new video, a new project, so I don't want you to miss that at all. Thanks for watching, guys. So every Saturday I'm gonna put a video for you, so don't forget. So go on there and subscribe, and thumbs up, comment, like, enjoy your video. I'll see you next time.